When you begin to look at selling across the world in different locations and different jurisdictions and tax rules, you start to increase your fraud liability. All of these things become pain points very, very quickly for companies that are growing, and Paddle sits there as a partner that handles all of that. Paddle is a merchant record, which effectively means we're a digital product reseller. Up until about probably 2 or 3 years ago, not a lot of Paddle's power was available via our API. At that point, we invested in effectively replatforming, and as a part of that replatform, we focused on everything that we build at Paddle needs to be API first. It became very important that we had a tool that works from beginning to end, and Postman was the solution.
We're using collections and workspaces quite a bit just to present our customers with like a list of essentially like the API, like everything the API can do, all the examples, all the docs, it's all in just one place. Since we launched Paddle Billing with Postman, time to first call has reduced 50%, and we've noticed a general improvement in DX, so much better feedback from customers. Solutions team are able to sort of integrate and sell better. We've noticed like massive adoption of billing. We're winning big deals. We're seeing people sign up and go live in sometimes days or an afternoon. So it's been really, really positive.
We're in interesting times in software, right? AI has come in, it's clearly here to stay, but I think there's this notion that AI is magical. It's not. It still needs programmatic access to things. It still needs to be able to interact with platforms in the way that we already interact with platforms, which is where we start to see MCP and things like that come in.
MCP server, we launched that a couple of months back, and it allows you to bring Paddle into your AI workflows. It's really useful for developers integrating.
Postman's tools for MCP are actually amazing. Something that you can do through Postman is very quickly create an MCP server based on your Postman collection and very quickly go from nothing to something. There's also tools to test and validate. With AI, it's very easy to hallucinate or come up with ideas of its own. So being able to quickly iterate and validate your ideas through testing very quickly is a huge help.
For us, Postman has always positioned itself very well for that time to first 200, and that needs to continue with what we see with the MCP space, and Postman makes that a lot easier to see and to work with. We want to make selling online as easy as possible, and really that mission statement has always been true. Postman sits comfortably right there helping us do that.